The SVD is a semi-automatic marksman rifle chambered in 7.62 by 54 mm rimmed, developed in the Soviet Union. It was a short-stroke gas piston-operated, semi-automatic rifle chambering the old 7.62 by 54 mm Mosin-Nagant cartridge. While it benefited from excellent optics, having a 4x PSO-1 telescopic sight with bullet drop compensator and infrared capability, it suffered from a lack of accuracy when used with ordinary military ball ammunition, producing on average 2.5 inches groups at 656 yards. However, when used with high-quality 7-in-1 sniper ammunition loaded with a 158-grain Spitzer boat-tail bullet, the accuracy improved to sub 1.5 MOA groups, which represented 656 to 875 yards hit capability on a human body and could extend to 1,300 yards for support fire. The SVD was designed to serve a novel squad support role to provide precise long-range engagement capabilities to ordinary troops following the adoption of intermediate calibers for use in standard infantry rifles. At the time, NATO had not yet adopted modern intermediate calibers, allowing them to outrange their Warsaw Pact counterparts. It was developed in 1958 to 1963 and selected as the winner of a contest that included 3 competing groups of designers, led by Sergei Semenov, prototype rejected in April 1960, Alexander Konstantinov, and Yevgeny Dragunov. Extensive field testing of the rifles conducted in a wide range of environmental conditions. Konstantinov's competing 2BW-10 prototype was simpler and cheaper, but tested less accurate, durable, and reliable, resulted in Dragunov's proposal being accepted into service in July 1963. An initial pre-production batch consisting of 200 rifles was assembled for evaluation purposes, and from 1964 serial production was carried out by Izmash, later called Kalashnikov Concern. Meanwhile, the Dragunov has been subject to a continual process of improvement, and the latest incarnation has black synthetic furniture and POSB 4x24V or 8x24V scopes that are nitrogen-filled to prevent misting and include illuminated crosshairs with a range-finding capability up to 1,000 meters. Since then, the SVD has become the standard squad support weapon of several countries, including those of the former Warsaw Pact. China produced a copy of the SVD through reverse-engineered samples captured during the Sino-Vietnamese War as the Type 79 and 85. Iran also produced a clone, the Noctur 3, which was a direct copy of the Chinese Type 79. SVD replaced the Mosin-Nagant M1891-30. Some variants are the SVDS, Airborne Troops, OTS-03 SVU, SVUA, Automatic and Semi-Automatic, SVDK, 9.3 by 64 mm caliber, SVDM Dragunov, Tiger, in calibers 7.62 by 51 mm and 30.06 Springlefield or 9.3 by 64 mm, Kalashnikov TG3, 9.6 by 53 mm Lancaster, or a civilian hunting version has made with the name Medved, Bear, usually chambered for the 9 by 54 mm rimmed sporting cartridge, as known as SVD-63. Designed by Yevgeny Fyodorovich Dragunov, a former Soviet long-range shooter,